Okay, so when we're subtracting integers, look at this. It's the part from the front of your notes. Okay, and it says you're going to change the subtraction to addition and then change the sign of the second number and then follow the rules for addition. It's that simple. Change subtraction to addition, change the sign of the second number, and then follow the same rules you did yesterday. Let's say that together. Change subtraction to addition, change the sign of the second number, and then follow the rules for addition. Okay? So let's look at these real quickly. I just want to practice. This is not in your notes. I just want to practice for a minute what it looks like to change those two signs. So we have 10 minus 6. By the way, what is 10 minus 6? 4. Okay, so 10 minus 6 is 4. You know that. But if we were doing this the integer way, we would change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the second number. So we have 10 plus a negative 6. So positive 10 plus negative 6. So this is like the kind of problem we did yesterday. The signs are different, so we are going to subtract them. The signs are different, so we're going to subtract. So 10 minus 6 gives us 4. And then because the 10 has the greater absolute value, or looks bigger, however you want to think of it, our answer is going to be positive 4. Okay? Do you see what we did? We changed the subtraction to addition, and we changed the sign of the second number. And then we did math just like yesterday. All right, so let's look at the second one. Number 2, change the subtraction to addition and change the sign of the second number. Now what do? We add, right? Same sign, we add. 8 plus 9 is 17. And is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, because both of them were negatives.
Yes.
Okay? All right, next. Let's look at the next one. And remember, the whole purpose of this parentheses is so you don't have two negatives or two minuses next to each other, because that gets confusing. So this one has negative 5 minus negative 4. So we're going to change subtraction to addition. Change the sign of the second number so it is no longer negative, it is positive. So we have negative 5 plus positive 4. Different signs, so we are going to subtract. Jordan, you're on it today.
I know, right? They sleeping on me.
Okay. Oh, wait, that's not right. Okay. Okay, so we subtract and we'll get what number? 1. Good, it's 1, and since 5 is negative, it's negative 1. Very good. All right, how about number 4? Let's look at it for a second. We have negative 6 minus negative 19. So, negative 6 plus positive 19. So, we have different signs, so we're going to subtract. 19 take away 6 gives us 13. And is it positive or negative? Positive, right? Because 19 is positive.
Yeah.
All right, next one. This is our last one, and then you're going to practice. So, 5 minus negative 20. So, change the subtraction to addition. Change this to a plus sign. And what's our answer?
29.
29. 29, and it's positive. Okay? Okay. All right, now if you will look inside of your notes, you will see this. On each one, I want you to change the subtraction to addition and change the sign of the second number. See if you can answer these 7 questions, and then we're going to go over them in just a minute. So go ahead and do that on your paper, and then we'll talk about them once you've had a chance to work them. All right, so we had 3 minus 5. So we changed that to 3 plus negative 5, right? Mm-hmm. Different signs. We're going to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. And is it positive or negative? Negative. So our answer is negative 2. Raise your hand if you got negative 2 on that one. Okay. All right. All right, next one. Negative 8 minus negative 7. So change our subtraction to addition. change the sign of our second number. So now we have -8 plus +7. That goes, and as a matter of fact, it might help you to do this. If it makes it easier, rewrite it underneath. Maybe that will help you not have as much trouble with it. So once I've rewritten it, it just looks like yesterday. Different signs, so we're going to subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1, and it's going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Very good. Okay? And then we have -2.4 minus -1. So plus +1. Remember, change the subtraction to addition. Change the sign of the second number. So now we have -2.4 plus 1. Different signs, so we're going to subtract. 2.4 minus 1 gives us 1.4. And it's going to be negative because 2.4 was negative. Okay? Are you starting to get it? No. Okay.